and today with you I'm going to make meringues.
Okay, first you will need an egg beater, measuring cups, a teaspoon of vanilla, 4 eggs, and cane sugar. Okay, this is how you separate the egg whites from the egg yolks. Crack the egg on the bowl all the way around the shell, rotating the egg. Stick your thumb in and pull the eggshells apart. Let the whites drip down into the bowl. Switch the yolk from eggshell to eggshell. Then, put the yolk into a separate bowl. Take a large metal bowl and put the egg whites in it. Then, mix the egg whites with an egg beater. Put the egg beater on setting 3 and wait. The eggs should start to get frothy. Slowly add in the sugar. Once the eggs are reasonably thick, add in the teaspoon of vanilla. Optional. Add in 3 to 4 drops of any food coloring of your choice. Preheat the oven to 225 and grease 2 baking sheets. Carefully, as not to break the egg whites, scoop the egg whites into a piping bag. Carefully pipe the meringues onto the baking sheet. This is a very important step. You have to be careful not to break the meringues and also keep them the correct size. The size I'm doing right now is fine. Place the meringues in the oven. Be very, very careful with this step because you might burn yourself or destroy the meringues. This is the finished project. They should be brittle on the outside and soft on the inside.